Hi, let's have a look at areas of circles. This is video 1 because we're going to look at the formula. In video 2, we're going to look at some examples. Recall from last time we did circumference, where C equals to 2 pi r. The circumference is this blue line here, or the perimeter of a circle, the outside of a circle. If you've forgotten or if you want to revise, click on the little eye and it'll take you to those videos. Today we're going to look at the pink shaded area, the inside of the circle. We're going to use the radius, the red line there, the line that goes to the center of the circle, and the blue line, the one that goes through the center of the circle all the way across, the diameter. Let's say I've made a circle by rolling a string. So I've just turned the string and gone around and around and around until I made that pattern over there. Now this line here is called the radius. What happens if I cut along the radius? What would happen to my string, that string there that I've twirled up? Now if I cut along this radius, the first part that will pop up will be really long, and then the next part that will pop up will be a bit shorter and a little bit shorter and shorter and shorter until I get to the very last little bit in the middle. So it's going to make this shape over here. What do you notice about this shape? It's a triangle, and the height of the triangle is the same as the radius. And the base of the triangle, so remember it was a string, we took that one out first, so the base of the triangle is the same as the circumference of a circle, or in other words 2 pi r. Now we can use this to find the area of a triangle. Now we know the area of a triangle is half height times base, so the height is r and the base is 2 pi r. Now the half times 2 is 1, so we can cancel that out and we're left with r times pi times r, or in other words pi r squared. So the area of this triangle we worked out to be pi r squared, or in other words the area of this circle is also pi r squared. So the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but the area is pi r squared. So be very careful not to get them confused. There's a couple of poems over here that you might want to read so that you can remember which is which. So round and round means going outside of a circle circumference is 2 pi r, and inside, or the area of a circle, is pi r squared. So memorize these two. Make sure you don't get them confused. They're a little bit tricky because they look very similar. We're going to practice doing some examples in the next video. I'll see you then. Bye!